Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to calibrate mouse surface on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the iCUE, which is the Corsair app. And as you guys can see, we need to head over to the home panel. Now we're going to go to M65 RGB Ultra, which is our mouse. We're going to simply either click on it and go to Surface Calibration, or we can do it straight from home by clicking on Surface Calibration right here. Now it's the same. As you guys can see, we need to grab our mouse and spin here in a spiral. So I'll just grab the mouse. I'm sorry if it goes over the camera, but as you guys can see, all we have to do is make sure that we are in the green zone with our speed. Of course, we are spinning it in a spiral, and we have to do it until it hits not 1,000, but 100%. So as you guys can see, it has to be right here. Now, if it doesn't just go over and it fails, it's pretty normal, as you guys can see, because you will definitely get your mouse calibration. So now our calibration process is complete, and now our mouse is adjusted to the surface. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.